G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here. Today, instead of telling you something, I'm asking you for help. This is a dynamic speed balancer for wheels, and you take the rim and you put it on the shaft and it all rotates, and then there are sensors that detect vibrations in the shaft, and the computer can use those vibrations to detect how much weight you need to put on each side of the wheel and where. So the problem I'm having is when I put a steel wheel on here and rotate it, the machine was always telling me a certain position on the shaft, not necessarily on the tire, but a position on the shaft was light. And it was always telling me to add weight on a certain position of the shaft. So I would do that, I would balance the assembly, then I would rotate the tire, and it would tell me, no, you need to add more weight to this certain position. When I took the belt off, I can take this belt off. As soon as I did, the pulley would roll down to one particular position and settle. It would roll and settle, always on that same position. And it was opposite the spot where the machine was telling me to add weight. So what did that mean? It meant the whole rotating assembly was not balanced. So I added some weights here. I added them one at a time until I got the assembly to no longer, with the belt off now, no longer have the pulley stop in any particular orientation. It would seem to, stop in any orientation. I know that's a crude way to balance it. I'm wondering what the best way is. Can I get this to a machine shop and they will balance this rotating assembly? Should I try to hook up that motor and have that motor spin while reading the vibration sensors in this balancing machine, the built-in sensors? I mean, their job is to measure vibrations in the shaft. So could I run this without a wheel on it to try to detect where the high and low spots are in the shaft? And my last question is, do you only need to balance the pulley in an orientation like this, or do you also need to balance the whole shaft so that you don't get the up and down vibration of the shaft, the wobbling of the shaft? So if you could put it in the comments what you think I should do next to resolve this, I'd be super appreciative, because I've got this machine that I think it came like this from the factory. The shaft is not bent, and it's only the balancing that needs to be adjusted here, I believe. Let me know in the comments, please and thank you.